Okay. Look up this one. This is final close 10 EMA. After that, the stock simply went nowhere. Tried to move up, did not got follow through, was extended and then simply moved down. So you can apply the same 10 EMA logic, but always remember booking sum into strength, and that is based on what markets are, what phase of market you are, to decide whether you have to sell at 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 40, 50, and your own psychology. Your own psychology part you will have to improve up to improve your risk reward. Okay. And market will determine which course of action will be more favorable. Okay. So is this clear? This 10 EMA logic in exits, decisive close, how market will impact it? Yes, completely. Yes. Okay, great. Avinash also says yes. Great. Clear. Time stop loss. See, if something has to work, it will work. It should start working in 15 days. 15 days, if in 15 days also you are setting at no stop loss or no profit also, no 10, 11, 12%, you are not seeing stocks to move above 10 EMA, your price is moving up 10 EMA, then that's an exit. But 15 days is minimum you should give. In 15 days, you will get one of the outcome. That's what I've seen in all the examples, all these 200, 210 examples of history of the winners. And if it has to fail, since you are entering when momentum has already come, it will fail also quickly if it has to. Maybe sometimes the next day itself it fails. What today, next day stop loss it. It can be a sad thing also, but it can be good thing also that it failed second day itself. Instead of failing for 10th day, I always pray that if it has to fail, let it be the next day itself. Okay. So next day failures are good. Of course, it hurts more because it's like almost instant. Okay. Yeah, you can follow 10 EMA rule for starting, but always book in strength. That will help you in managing your emotions. I told you emotions that you will fear, that you will have. It helps in managing both sides. चला तो कम से कम मेरे पास इतनी क्वांटिटी थी, नहीं चला तो of course मैंने एटलीस्ट कुछ तो बुक करा था. स्टार इज योर रिस्क रिवॉर्ड विच यू शुड इम्प्रूव. अब ऐसा नहीं कि आप हमेशा 10% पे यू आर स्टक. शुड नो मार्केट एंड देन मूव फ्रॉम 10 to 15, 15 to 20. Right? So it's a journey for it. Okay. So that is clear. Let me take one more question related to stop loss. It's up to you. Like in system also you can put, I usually put an alert. So I'll just take last 10 minutes. Is it fine? Like I'll indicator and scanner, I'll discuss on it for 10 minutes and then we'll wind off. It's a bit late though. Okay, just last 10 minutes and then we'll wind off. So let's discuss about the indicator and the scanner, how to get access to it. So these are two indicators. Okay, one is your character, and in the character, the index one is also there. So let's first see the character one. This gives you stock character and growth rate, whether there is growth or not. Plus, whenever you will open any index, any sector index, market direction will automatically come. You don't have to do anything. Like these all regions are automatically there. Any index you'll open, it will automatically pick up the market direction template. Say Nifty 500, you don't have to do anything. Like you don't have to switch on or off anything. it automatically gives you that. Say I am opening reality index, it automatically picks up the index template. For us, small cap, mid cap, 400 is fine. Then it automatically pick up. When you will see on stock, it will automatically turn it off. Let's say you are seeing on stock, it will automatically give you character and growth for it. This is one indicator. It also shows you financial table. You will have to click that on and you will see up here. Second one is this overall automated analysis. Now, how to get access to it? Let me share that part. And tell you a bit about TradingView also. So first of all, for access to the two indicators. So there are two indicators. For access, you will have to mail. You can write this mail ID. Mail with your TradingView ID. TradingView is a charting platform for those who don't know. Sign up there. Okay, open an account. Once you open an account, so this is where you will find your user ID. Okay, TradingView ID. So write down your TradingView ID and mail with it. Put a subject as indicator and in mail just write your TradingView ID. Okay. Write your TradingView ID. So this is your TradingView website. You will go to there. Sign up. I have already signed up there. Go to products. So when you will sign up, you will see here also this D is coming for you. You will see your TradingView ID. Go on super charts. Once you share your TradingView ID with me, it can take 2 days, 2 working days rather, for me to give you access. So don't do these stuffs, because then I may not reply and then you may feel offended. Don't ping me on Telegram regarding indicator. Okay. Other things are fine. Don't ping me on Telegram that give access. I will not. Don't ping on Twitter saying kindly give me access. I will not. Don't ping anywhere. I will not give access. Only email. Because it's difficult for me to track up everywhere. Sometimes some people send on Telegram, some sending on Twitter, some somewhere WhatsApping on our company number. It's not possible. Only email with your TradingView ID. This is the only way to get access. And it will take 2 working days. So until unless 2 working days are over, don't again ping. Don't again ping. Why I'm speaking it here itself, because these are things people do. Every 10 minutes people start pinging. I have mailed you, you have not given access. I have mailed you, you have not given access. Don't ping within 2 days back. If in 2 days also you are not getting access, then of course you send again mail, or then ping me after 2 days. But wait for 2 days for the access. Is this clear? Is this clear or not? Okay, great. Now, once I give you access, you have to go to indicators. Okay. Go to indicators. You will find your invite only. If I have not given access, this option may not be visible also. Okay. Once I have given, you will find here invite. Where? Go to indicator, you will find invite only, and you will find these two up here. Simply apply it. Before applying, make sure that you don't have other indicators. See, TradingView free version. Paid version is not required from my side. There is no necessary requirements for buying TradingView paid versions. Of course, if you're going for that, it does help in a lot of way. But even if you don't want to buy it, you don't want to spend money there, it's not a requirement from my side. Okay. So TradingView free version will give you access to apply only 2 indicators. So make sure before applying, you don't have any other thing up here. Because what people do, they apply to already, then they try to put up this and then it gives error to buy. And then they are stuck. They say that your indicator is not working. So it's not that indicator is not working. It's because you are on a free TradingView version and you are already applied up 2 indicators. Okay, so don't do that. Remove everything. Click on this, click on this. It will get applied to your chart. Then go to volume. Go to indicators. Search, write volume. Now you will have multiple volume. You have to go with only volume. Listen it again. You will have multiple volume. Go with only volume. Only single thing which is written as volume. Click on it. This will get applied. This volume, this single one in your search, this TradingView does not count it as an indicator. Only this volume. Any other, I'll apply. Let's say, let's remove this and apply this. Net volume, you will get this thing pop up to buy premium. Because you have applied 2 indicators, the maximum available on your plan. If you need more, you will have to upgrade. But if you'll go with only volume, it does not ask because it does not count as an indicator. Next step, once you have done this 3, you will find this chart complete. Go to volume, go to inputs, click on this setting up here, go to inputs, now go to style, click on this. This will give you volume moving average. Okay, though our indicator automatically does it, just for your setting purpose for seeing how good volumes are. So it's fine, just apply that. You are good to go. Okay, you are then good to go. If you will apply another one, you will get an error that buy premium. Now this is again one more weird question which people ping me. Question is that, sir, I want to apply this double EMA or this moving average, but it is asking for premium version. What can I do in it then? What can I do in it? It is not required. Free version you can apply to only. Something which you need to figure it out on your own. You want to apply 5, 8, 10, 15, 20. Either you make one more account for that, another mail ID, another account, apply to their buy premium or else. From my side, these 3, you are done. You don't need anything else. So you want to do anything else, you'll have to figure it out by own. Okay, but I cannot do anything based on it. Now let me quickly explain you this 2 indicator in brief. This is your trend analysis. Everything is up already here, functional. Make sure you are applying on a daily chart only. Number 1 thing written in here is this indicator is for daily time frame only, for stocks only. Now you going and doing on weekly chart, these figures are then not right because then it is telling you weekly. Our entire thing, fall swing analysis, execution, everything is on daily chart. That's what relevance. So don't apply it on weekly and then see up things because it is doing weekly analysis, not relevant. Don't do this also. Go and apply a 5-minute chart. It may not give you same output because it's then doing on a 5-minute analysis. It's only relevant for daily charts. Okay, why I'm telling you? Because people then go to weekly chart. People ask this thing that I want to do it on weekly. How to do? But I told you to do on daily only. You want to do on weekly, something else, your personal choice. You have to figure it on by own. Because whatever we do is on daily. Okay. So these are some very weird questions which I come across, and that's why I'm explaining in this video itself. That it is for daily. You want to do on weekly, you have to, I don't know what you want to do on weekly. Okay. You want to do something, it's completely fine. You do it on yourself. I don't know what you want to do. But we do everything on. So be sure that you are analyzing on daily time frame. For best outcome, you just go to visibility and just do this of minutes and hours and seconds so that it doesn't confuses you. Execution you do on 5 minutes, so go on 5 minutes, and then here you can wait for a 5-minute close that we have discussed. 5-minute good close for entries. Okay, you can change the moving averages here, though it's already set up. You don't need to do anything for it. Already it gives you 10, 20, 50, 150, all things. These all things are on. You don't need to change it. In case you want to change it, something, you have your own some experience or own thesis that you want to follow it, you can change the values up here. Okay, you can set up this also, but by default nothing needs to be changed. Now here it gives you option to handle all individual things, like you don't want this table, it can be off and on. You don't want moving averages, it can be off and on. You don't want momentum bars, the black bars, it can be turned on and off. Okay, this black bars, it will be off. Entry and stop loss lines, you can turn it on and off. These labels which are coming, you can turn it on and off. There's some functionality which you can do with this. Okay, so this is about the trend analysis indicator, how to apply it and what does it means, the functionality that it is having. Similarly with indicator 1, you have an option to see the financial table up there. Click on it and you will find the table up here. Want to switch it off, you can switch it off. Plus character boxes that we discussed, you can turn it on to see where in last time it gave good momentum. Okay, by default it is off. You can switch it on and off based on how you want the chart to look, which gives you more convenience. Okay, so these are two things. Volume, you need not to do anything. This is just fine. Okay, now once you have done this, make sure you save it. Save your template so that every setting that you have done, it gets saved. You can then rename it also from here, whatever you want to rename it. For setting alerts, TradingView free version does not allow us to set up alerts. There are a lot of features which TradingView free version does not have. If you want to go with a paid version will cost you from 10,000 to 18-20,000 per year. Okay, it's not a necessity. I will again repeat, it's not a necessity from my side. You can do everything on free version also. Of course, you'll have to be more, track more things, but to save money, you'll have to do something else, right? If you want to buy TradingView free version, then make sure that you buy only on Black Friday, which comes in November. And they come up with like 70% discount. Let's say here, if I'll see pricing now, 6-7 days it is coming. These are like 1,000 per month. Essential is anyways not of much use if you have to buy. Okay, if you have to buy, you have to go with minimum plus. If you'll go with the annual plan, this is like 2000 per month. But Black Friday sale, you have 70% off. So I buy premium one. I think I have premium one. Let me see which one I'm having. I don't remember. I have premium one. Okay. So I have this one and it's like 18-20,000 for a year. Okay, on Black Friday buy it will be at 70% off. Otherwise, this is showing like 4,000 per month. So 4,000 per month is like 48-50,000, which is too much. But on Black Friday, it's like 50, 60, 70% kind of discount. So 18-20,000, I guess I pay for it for a year. And this is very good. You can set hell lot of alerts, which makes things easy. Otherwise, free version, you will go add alert, it will ask you to buy. Okay. Alerts helps, it saves a lot of time. Even if you don't have alert, your broking account, it is in Zerodha or wherever, you can see they also provide alert features. Okay, like Zerodha gives free alert feature. You can set up alerts there and then take use of both. Or even if you don't want to put alerts, a way to execute it simply like watch it. Okay, watching it continuously does take a bit more time, but if you want to save money, you don't have budget, then something you'll have to do more. Okay, but if you'll pay 18-20,000 a year, it will help more and more. I usually set up alerts in my case, and then whenever it is triggering, I then open 5-minute chart and see. But otherwise, also you can like watch it again and again and can see whether it is closing or not, whether it is triggering any entry or not. You can use your broker account for setting up alerts there also. For stop loss also you can set or not, or and for entry also you can set up there. So in free version also it's manageable, but once you gain some confidence, once you have some money, you have some budget, you should go then for premium version. I use this trading view only. This indicators works on trading view. So certain times I receive queries that I want to do on Zerodha. Can you send the indicator on Zerodha? No, it's not possible. Okay, it's not possible to send on Zerodha. It's made on TradingView, so it will work on TradingView. And by far in last 8 years, I have found TradingView in terms of overall quality and usage, I found it best compared to the price. There are many softwares around there. Okay, they will be costlier than this also, plus features will also be less. But if you buy in Black Friday, it's really good. Okay, but at the end it will depend on your overall capital and those factors. If you have small capital of 1 lakh, 2 lakh, then it might not be feasible. So then manage it till the time and then buy later. Okay. So is this clear, all things related to indicator? Is this clear or any question on indicator? Clear, good. Now last thing, scanner. Yeah, risk management and portfolio market direction in coming weeks. Color of MA lines, you can see it from here by yourself. Go to style, you can see MA2 10A and what is the color of MA2. You have to do that work by one. MA3 is 20. You want to change color, up to you, you can change color. So you will have to explore those personalizations by yourself. Okay. Now just last thing and we'll close the scanner part. Yeah, I just answered for risk management. We already discussed stop loss and a few things. Few later classes it will come. We'll have 3-4 more further live class. Okay. If not in live, then I'll put it in recording. So this is the scanner link, and typically all momentum conditions, momentum bar conditions, you will find it here. You can explore it. Don't ask questions like why this 7, 8. These are just good momentum things. Okay. Well tested, researched, and that's how all these figures are here. So for that, I have only one answer, that it's based on research. That's it. Okay, all the high momentum conditions up here, high volumes, based on 2-3 different scenarios. Some trend related stuff, okay, is also up there. So some trend related moving averages and momentum bar, these two conditions, and these are like the outputs which you will receive up here. Typically on a daily basis, it will be 30 average. Okay, 30, 34. I mean, very good market can go to 100 also, but that will be very short span of days. But this is like last 4 years data, let it load. So that's the beauty of momentum. It doesn't comes in too many names on any particular day. I have in a day 25, 30, 40 stocks maximum to see, and that to an automated analysis. You can see this 60 line. Majority names you will find 40. Here 2, 3, handful of days in 4 years. Handful of days you went to 80. 2, 3 here, 4 here some 10, 15 days. That's it. Majority it's in range of 40, 15. Very good market. In average market, like since May, we have never crossed 40 range since May 2025. So 30, 40, 50 kind of names. Now, one question which again is weird, but it gets asked a lot of time by students: how to select stock now from here? How will you select stocks from here? Can anybody answer? How to select stock from here? After going through all of the things, such question sometimes comes. Okay, students ping. How to now select stock from here? What is the role of scanner? It's not to give you some magic output. It will satisfy some criteria, but then you'll have to open each and every chart and see up, okay, base and breakout. Just see, like for example, CUB. Okay, I will go and see CUB chart, whether it is worth planning trade up there or not. Open CUB chart. Indicator is there. It will help you. So it's a no character, so I will skip. Nothing to do. Then let's say you have Paras defense came. This was good. Paras defense. Look up here. This is which kind of base? Break up and down base clear. We have all things fine. Character, this, that, and uptrend, higher, low. Now I will keep it in watch list. I'll add it in watch list for tracking that whether it gives me any follow through days. If it gives me follow through days based on our plan, which is here already, 5-day, high float, low float based, and then you can then plan entry in it. So you'll have to open each and every chart and break out. Just see, like for example, 4 years and full of days you went to 80. You can see this 60 line, many names on any particular data, let it load. So that will be very short span of days. This is like last 4 years data, let it load. So that's the beauty of momentum. It doesn't comes in too many names on any particular day. We have in a day 25, 30, 40 stocks maximum to see, and that too on automated analysis. You can see this 60 line, majority names you will find 40. Here 2, 3, handful of days in 4 years, handful of days you went to 80. 2, 3 here some 10, 15 days, that's it. Majority it's in range of 40, 15. Very good market. In average market, like since May, we have never crossed 40 range. Since May 2025. So 30, 40, 50 kind of names. Now one question which again is weird, but it gets asked a lot of time by students. How to select stock now from here? How will you select stocks from here? Can anybody answer? How to select stock from here? After going through all of the things, such question sometimes comes. Okay, students ping. How to now select stock from here? What is the role of scanner? It's not to give you some magic output. It will satisfy some criteria, but then you'll have to open each and every chart and see up, okay, base and breakout. Just see, like for example, CUB. Okay, I will go and see CUB chart, whether it is worth planning trade up there or not. Open CUB chart. Indicator is there. It will help you. So it's a no character, so I will skip. Nothing to do. Then let's say you have Paras defense came. This was good. Paras defense. Look up here. This is which kind of base? Break up and down base clear. You have all things fine. Character, this, that, and uptrend, higher, low. Now I will keep it in watch list. I'll add it in watch list for tracking that whether it gives me any follow through days. If it gives me follow through days based on our plan, which is here already, 5-day, high float, low float based, and then you can then plan entry in it. So you'll have to open each and every chart and just analyze it, that which one needs to be watched for coming days. Okay, if it's a slopy base, you have to do that also. You have to mark up the slopy base. You have to analyze, in short, using indicators and other things. You will have to analyze it and then select the one which needs, which you can track around and plan entry in coming days. Okay, I'll share this link here also, but I'll put up this link in the content also. You will find it in a PDF file, so you can download from there also. Okay, once you have done this, you can use the same link for future reference also, so that if there is any changes, then you are aware that then it gets changes in your also. Okay, so use the link which I have shared for daily analysis. So is this clear? Scanner and things. Again, I will repeat, scanner does not mean go and buy a stock. Half of them, 20 may say Sula will not, so 10, 15 will not follow up things. Some will have some issue, some will have some issue. Okay. But then few will be worth of tracking, and from that few some will trigger, some may even not trigger. So out of, for let's example, 10 stocks you added in watch list, maybe 3 only gives entry in coming days. You just track it up. Again, someone asked how to access scanner link. We don't know what to answer now. Figure it out now, because I have already shared what to do for scanner link. I've even shared the link also. Just I shared the link, 2 messages later I get a question that how to access the scan. So we'll have to figure it out. It's really tough sometimes. Okay, nothing in it, but I get such questions, so I have to try to answer now in videos only. Okay, be attentive. Okay, so this is done. Next session again, we have few things to cover up. Okay, so like IPO, stocks, then risk management, 2-3 more sessions, but core sessions are mostly done. Now, how to handle corporate actions, and maybe 3 more sessions, and then all the topics will get covered. Okay, so the indicator stays once you get access, it is with you. Okay, it does not, it's for you to use lifetime. Previous indicators, you can remove it if you're following this one, then you remove them. Okay. Okay. Doubt clearing, of course, we will keep separate day for it, right? Okay. Indicator, again, I've shared the link, plus I will, in the content section, you will find it in a PDF file also. Okay, so you can download it from there also. Previous scan, you're using previous something, then you can use it. Otherwise, only one scan for this entire thing which I have shared, nothing else. Previous one is for previous strategies. Payalas and parasites are low, but it seems you see more. You will find that it's not. Okay, it may have not picked up. Tried 1 day, 2 day. Here it went below 10. After that, here it also went, but it never picked up 3-4 days. 1-2 day up, again down. So it will then take this only as low. Okay, so it's an, can call it, it's not just some code. Okay, I put input in ChatGPT, take output, and based on that, it's reliable. Okay, it tried 1-2 day, but then it's like this and then gone down. So it will compare to this then. Okay, it works very good. Okay. Okay, great. So write down your 5 learnings in the group. Write down your 5 learnings in the group so that you remember it. So it's been late now. Thanks for such patience. Okay. Bye bye. Good night.